Today we're exploring Bolt.new. I'm going to be showing you how to sign up. We're going to build a website together. Also, I'm going to be showing you a lot of the more complex prompts that you can add. And you can also refine said website and said app right from the chat prompt. So let's begin with creating a website. And I took to ChatGPT to actually ask for a nuanced prompt. And look at here, because usually when you're creating these no-code, when you're creating a website on these no-code platforms, you need to give it a lot of detail, like a homepage, like features, and you then give it design details, clean, minimal, aesthetic, whatever it is. So let's feed this into Bolt.new. Visually engaging for a student, not just a student project, must look like a professional product showcase. And we take that and we paste that right over here. There we go. That's our prompt right there. And we press go. It works with supported platforms. Okay. All right. So we're back. And this time around, we're on Google Chrome as opposed to Safari because I guess that's what Bolt wants. And I want to give you a comprehensive overview of Bolt. And we fed it the prompt that we created on ChatGPT that has all the nuanced details that you want in a website. So this took a while. This took about 10 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes. But hey, look at me complaining because I'm spoiled by AI. This has been created. This entire website called SkillForge has been created from scratch in 10 minutes. So who am I to complain? Master new skills, transform your career. Here's an intro. It's a little startup sign-in widget. Pricing. Oh my goodness. This is more than one page. It's got pricing breaking down. There's a little footer. Tutorials, learn the best with photos and videos. So little courses by different people. You get features, interactive learning paths with photos included. This is absolutely insane. And this is on the free tier as well. You get testimonials by people. And you got 25,000 daily tokens remaining. Subscribe to Pro for 66 times more usage. So what more can you do with these websites? You have further sort of settings that you can use when creating using Bolt.new. This one right here is for just looking at your website in full screen. So if you press it right here, it just gives you exactly what it's going to look like, and you can turn it off. So the second setting that you can use is this setting, which is the inspector setting. As you can see, there's responsive mode, there's open preview in a separate tab, which is just self-explanatory. So inspector mode is what we're willing to toy around with here. And this is basically to just fine tune everything. So let's say I want to change this title right here. And it tells you, what do you want? Can you write this in a different way and change the color scheme around? And we press go. Now let's see what it does. Keep building your momentum, pay for Pro or for Teams. So what it did here is that you've hit today's free limit, but basically what would have happened is that you would have changed this title right here. Using said inspector mode, you can just literally change whatever it is, down to the little photo right here. And you can upload your own photo and have Sarah Chen be a different person. But I don't know if you want to do that or not. You can change this. We can turn off inspector mode and then go into features. I want to change this entire segment entirely. So we press this right here, change this entire page, whatever it is that your heart pleases to fine tune the website that you've just created. The first option that we have is responsive mode next to inspector mode. And this is to see it in different capacities. So this is the desktop version, obviously. Let's turn off responsive mode. Why is everything selected? Okay. Now we can press this right here, and then you can say, okay, I want to see it on a Pixel 9. This is how it looks like. And you can fine tune you can zoom in to see how big it is. You can see it on the Galaxy 24, and that is responsive mode. Now right here, the last thing I want to show you is integrations. Now, what you can integrate Bolt with is Stripe. If you want to add payments to your website, let's say we've created a tutorial website and people want to pay for said tutorials, then you can include Stripe. You can add Supabase so that you have a database. We've already added Supabase in another video that I hope that you've watched. We created a website and an app using Lovable. And if you have something relating to your organization, like a contact list that you use with different businesses, then you can just integrate Supabase, and whatever website you create, you can just integrate it into your ecosystem automatically using Supabase. And you can also integrate GitHub. So now that I've showed you everything that there is to show, all you need to do is to publish your website. Now, I'm not sure which domain they use, but you can always use Hostinger for connecting domains. Now let's go ahead and press publish. App is not published yet. Let's press publish right here. And there we go. Your site has been successfully published. It didn't take 2 minutes. It didn't take a minute. ScaleForge Professio, and you get this little link URL for your website that we just created. So yeah, you can even create your own web app. You can fine tune it. And with these no-code platforms, it is just super easy to be able to fine tune, create a website, create a web app, and then do even complex prompts using these websites. And you can sign up right now, right here, and use Hostinger at the end of the day to create your domain. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you want to see from us next, and we'll catch you in the next video.